Abayilungise nje lapho nje, don't compare uMaswanganyi noMshishi. Those are two different type of players, how they play, the intelligence of them, the way they are so smart in terms of trying to break down the defense, assisting the striker, and be a link between the defensive players and the striker. It's there's a lot that I can mention between the two. Uh, yes, I can question his game, but again, it didn't get support from the midfield. We've got Umabek pass. We've got Umabek pass, and when you've got Umabek pass, it's always going to be a problem. So, meaning the attacking midfielder, he's not going to play because every time Musele Magatoli baller, it goes back. Every time Magatoli baller, it goes back, and Magatoli move. I mean, playing